I would be greatly, I would be, I would be gratefully thankful if I had a clicker delivered to me by this stagecraft people. Do you have a slide clicker, please? Anyway, let me begin by saying thank you very much, Your Excellency, everyone here, distinguished guests, for letting me share a little bit of my life, a little bit of my work, so that you could understand what has motivated me. And I particularly appreciate speaking to you, this audience, because it's my sense that so much of our future depends upon smart people who deliver education to the next generation. I'm going to start my talk setting a kind of context. And so much has been said already. On the other hand, I'll begin with this. Our species, humans, have been enormously successful. We have overcome so many challenges. We've invented healthcare systems, education systems, our technology, computing, and so on. For the last 300 years, we have exponentially been growing our population. Some people are beginning to call this the Anthropocene, where the human footprint dominates the evolution of our planet, and has already been elegantly stated. This footprint is now challenging our future. We are overpopulated. We are contributing massive human footprints that are changing our climate, setting in motion many of the things shown on this diagram. It's also been asserted by others before me that we are living carelessly, out of control, beyond our means, unsustainably. This map and visualization perhaps makes it very clear. It's a simple map, really. Red areas are where we are emitting carbon, and green areas are where we are sequestering carbon. And this is out of balance. Some people are beginning to say so much so that we may not even have a future. And again, as has been elegantly stated already this morning, you in this room and I believe that we do have a sustainable future, but we have to make choices. And for many, this will be difficult. We have to imagine, we have to design, we have to implement enormous infrastructures, and we need to do this right now. The central problem of our time, from my perspective, is that we remain a bit ignorant as a global population. We have a lack of understanding. And even more troublesome is we have a failure to collaborate, as is seen here through the polarization of so many dimensions of our society today. And while those issues are clear, this lack of collaboration is impacting sustainability beyond just the vision of saving the world. I believe it is my real experience that sustainability, seeing this sustainable world, starts with geography. I like geography. I was attracted to it as a young student because I could see the whole world through the lens of this science. And seeing the whole world as a single ecosystem is fundamental. Geography provides us both a science, but also a kind of language through mapping. It allows us to integrate all the factors, organize them, all the ologies, geology, sociology, and so on, bring them together and illuminate patterns, models the future. It provides us also a platform for environmental sustainability and education. And the language of geography is simple. It's maps and visualizations. We can see where things happen or have happened. And through the magic of modeling and the miracles of computation, we can begin to see where it will happen in the future. This, particularly for the science group, is what's making us so very frightened. This language provides us a foundation of not only understanding what's so, but also a framework for designing the future in a more sustainable manner. This has been my work since I was a student. I stand on many shoulders of others who taught me. Many of you are teachers here. You are providing the shoulders of for people like me into the future to grow and understand. And basically what I'm saying is this science, this language, provides us a kind of foundation for understanding and collaboration, this great dilemma that we have today. Now, I have been working for the last 55 years on a technology come to be known as geographic information systems. This technology brings together data collection about our world, allows us to visualize the data and analyze it and model it and design on top of these maps and take these designs to action. It's kind of a cyclical process. It's a process, not just technology. And it supports this notion, understanding precedes action. Not all action is based on understanding, but certainly these words are magical when we talk